Hello friends, welcome to I Learn I Inspire channel. Please watch this video completely, and if you like the video, please click on like button and subscribe to my channel for getting notified about my next videos. Also, please put the point you like the most in comments. Hello friends, today we learn how to use do or does or did. You all know that the word do appears a lot in English. To speak fluently, we need to use do or does or did more frequently. But more often, it is so confusing to use do. To understand where we confuse more, let us observe these sentences. To say any action which we do regularly, in present tense, we say, for example, he works hard. He does his work on time. Friends, if you observe, in the first sentence, we use the word works. In the second sentence, we use the word work. Similarly, to say any action in past tense or in negative, we usually say he doesn't work hard. He did not do his work on time. If you observe, again, in the first sentence we use work, and in the second sentence we use do two times, did and do together. Friends, many a time we come across a common error to say I know, he don't know. But to say he don't know, it is a mistake. We need to say he doesn't know. To get the clarity on these uses, to learn when and how do or does or did used, we need to watch this video. Shall we start? Okay. Now let us learn how to use do or does or did easily. More often it is so confusing to use do. But why? It is because do is used as a main verb to show an action, and do is also used as a helping verb. Before looking at some examples of main verb, let us first look at the basic use of do or does or did. Please remember that do or does or did are different forms of the verb to do. And also please remember that do and does are used in present tense with the subjects I, we, you, they or any plural noun. Let me say that example I do, we do, you do, they do, etc. And does is used with the subjects he, she, it or any singular noun. For example, he does, she does, it does, etc. And did is used in the past tense with all the subjects, either singular nouns or plural nouns. Friends, now let us look at some examples for do as main verb. We use do or does as main verb when we want to say about a regular action or an action in present tense. And we use did when we want to say about an action happened in the past. Please remember, the past tense of do is did. Friends, as we discussed in the beginning, the another use of do or does or did is that it is also used as a helping verb. And before discussing further on the uses of do or does or did as helping verb, for a better understanding, first let us look at the table of tenses below. So friends, while we observe the sentences in the table, what we notice? We notice that all other sentences except simple present and simple past have a helping verb before the main verb speak. The helping verbs like am, are, is, was, were, will, have, has, had. Friends, as all these sentences have helping verbs, if we want to say any of the above sentences in negative form, we can easily say by adding not, except for simple present and simple past. The negative sentences can be formed by adding not as shown below. Please observe. But friends, let us just think, can we say the below by just adding not to simple present and simple past? Like I not speak, he not speaks, I not spoke, he not spoke. No, we cannot just add not to a main verb. Example used here, speak. To make a sentence negative, we need a helping verb, do or does or did, when there is no other auxiliary verb or helping verb in the sentence. Please note that do or does or did are also called helping verbs or auxiliary verbs. Now please see the below. With the help of do or does or did as a helping verb, we can use not to the main verb and make a sentence negative. So friends, now we understood that do or does or did is used as a helping verb to make a simple present or a simple past sentence into a negative sentence. Please remember that we use short forms in spoken English. Like while speaking, we say do not as don't, does not as doesn't, and did not as didn't. Now, let us learn the correct uses of do or does or did. As a rule 1, please remember that use only base form of the main verb whenever do or does is used as a helping verb in present tense to make the sentence negative. Please remember that the letter S at the end of main verb in the third person singular for he, she, it disappears when does is used as a helping verb. Friends, as a rule 2, please remember that use only base form of the main verb whenever did is used as a helping verb in the past tense. Now please look at these examples. Friends, let us see some more examples for better understanding of correct uses. Okay, now let us know the uses of do, does, did. These auxiliary verbs are used in 5 different situations, like as a main verb in positive sentences, as a helping verb in negative sentences, and to ask questions, that means to make interrogative sentences, and to add emphasis to what we say, and to use as double do. In this video, we have learned the first 2 uses of do, does, did. As do or does as a main verb in present tense, do or does or did as a helping verb in simple present or simple past to make a sentence negative. And let us learn 3 more simple ways of using do, does, did as helping verbs to create questions or for adding emphasis or using double do in my upcoming video. We explore more such examples in my next video, like where do you live? Don't you speak English? Does he do his homework? I don't do my laundry every day. He doesn't always do his homework on time. Friends, hope you found this video useful.